This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about ramekins, specifically these square porcelain Quadrato dishes, right? These tiny ramekins come in two sizes, the 1 ounce and the 5 ounce. They're both petite, and they're a great option for small single bite or small portion dishes, whatever you're serving. It can be savory or sweet, so think things like sauces, dips, and condiments, especially in these tiny sizes, and small dishes or servings, right, in the larger 5 ounce size, right? That's a great little portion for an appetizer or a small portion of dessert if you're maybe doing a tasting menu or something of that nature. They're porcelain, which makes them fantastic, sleek, right? Beautiful white porcelain finish. And they're also microwave and oven safe and can be put in the dishwasher, right? So they're a modern and kind of elegant square design, making them a nice and unusual option, whether you're a pro and looking for something to use to display sauces or condiments in your restaurant, or you're just a home cook that loves to do entertaining and provide those special touches. These are a great option. The little smalls are great for things like single bite desserts or a single bite app for, say, a tasting menu. For displaying things like sauces, think maybe some homemade ketchup along with some shoestring French fries, or other things like sprinkles or toppings, maybe for a sundae bar. The larger size are going to be fantastic for small portions of dishes, appetizers, soups, sauces. You can even do things like mini cakes, soufflés, or quiches in these. So they're a great special touch for someone looking for that extra bit of something for your next dinner or event.